Hello, welcome back to the Berdu.id channel. This video is the fourth part of our affiliate marketing tutorial series. In previous videos, we discussed setting up the affiliate program and creating affiliate links and coupon codes. Now we'll discuss affiliate commission payouts. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the Berdu channel. Click the like button below and activate the notification bell. First, navigate to your Berdu's website dashboard. Then go to Customers and click Affiliate. Select the affiliate program you've previously created and click Edit. Enter a minimum payment threshold, for example, $100, and select a settlement date, such as the 10th. On the 10th, you'll receive notifications about transactions eligible for payout. Don't forget to click Save. Note: only transactions from the previous month that meet the minimum payout requirement will be eligible for payout. From here, go to Reports, or you can access through Affiliate, then Details to reach the same page. Currently, there may not be commissions reaching the minimum payout amount, so no payouts are possible yet. If this happens, you can manually add a commission amount. Here's how. Click on the affiliate's name and navigate to Affiliate Profit. This method allows you to add special earnings for specific affiliates. Click Add Transaction to add new earnings. Name the transaction, input the earnings amount, and set the transaction date. To pay out immediately, set the transaction date to the previous month. Click Create. Refresh the affiliate page, and you'll see a notification about commissions eligible for payout, for example, $120. However, you'll notice that the total transactions listed might exceed this amount. This discrepancy happens because the payout date is set for the 10th. Thus, transactions from the current month can only be paid out in the following month if they meet the minimum payout threshold. You can initiate payouts directly from this page. You can proceed the settlement here. Important note: ensure that you don't have multiple tabs open on the payout page, as this could cause errors. Close any additional tabs and make sure other admins aren't simultaneously processing the same affiliate payout to avoid conflicts. Proceed with the payout. You'll see the affiliate's bank account details previously entered in the customer data. Transfer the indicated amount manually via bank transfer or another method. You can also change the payout period if needed. For example, set it to include commissions earned up to today. This will update the payout amount accordingly. After transferring the commission, check the Yes box and click Create. The settlement status is now marked as settled. Transactions with this status cannot be deleted. If you need to delete a transaction, first refresh the payout page, cancel the settlement transaction, and confirm. Once canceled, the status returns to valid, allowing deletion. This time, we'll cancel the deletion process. Payout transactions can also be deleted after cancellation. Now, how can affiliates view their affiliate status and commissions? When affiliates log into your website, they'll be directed to a page where they can click View Affiliate. Here, affiliates can see their affiliate code, the affiliate program they joined, and their registered bank account details, which they can update as needed. Earnings reports can also be viewed here, detailing earnings from the previous month, the current month, and total earnings. Affiliates can see valid and invalid commissions, along with transaction payout details. That concludes this tutorial. Like this video, leave your comments below, and subscribe to the Berdu.id channel for more tutorials. Don't forget to follow our social media accounts for more exciting content. See you in the next video!